Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of spinach. Unleash the nutritional might of this leafy green. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the world of one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet? Let's talk about a true superhero of the produce aisle, spinach. This humble green is more than just a salad ingredient. It's a versatile and powerful addition to any meal. This leafy green isn't just a side dish, it's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. From vitamin A to zinc, spinach covers a wide spectrum of essential nutrients. Remember Popeye? He knew the secret to strength. Spinach was his go-to for instant muscle power, and there's a reason for that. Spinach is a natural performance enhancer, boosting energy levels and supporting overall well-being. It's rich in iron, which helps in oxygen transport and energy production. From ancient warriors to modern-day athletes, spinach has fueled people for centuries. Its benefits have been recognized across different cultures and eras. It's time to rediscover this incredible vegetable and unlock its amazing health benefits. Whether you saute it, blend it, or eat it raw, spinach can be a delicious part of your diet. Get ready to embrace the power of spinach and transform your health, one delicious leaf at a time. So next time you're at the store, don't forget to grab a bunch of this green goodness. Spinach is a treasure chest of essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, crucial for immunity, skin health, and blood clotting. This leafy green is also rich in folate, essential for cell growth and development, especially during pregnancy. Don't forget the minerals. Spinach provides iron for healthy blood, magnesium for energy production, and potassium for blood pressure regulation. But wait, there's more. Spinach contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, protecting your eyes from damage. With this impressive nutrient profile, it's no wonder spinach is considered a superfood. Want a healthy heart? Put spinach on your plate. This leafy green is a heart health hero thanks to its nitrates. Nitrates help dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Spinach is also a good source of potassium, a mineral that counteracts the negative effects of sodium on blood pressure. And don't forget about folate. This B vitamin helps lower homocysteine levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Adding spinach to your diet is a delicious way to show your heart some love. Section 4. Strong bones and beyond spinach for overall wellness. Spinach isn't just good for your heart, it's beneficial for your entire body. Its vitamin K content plays a crucial role in bone health, promoting calcium absorption and reducing fracture risk. This leafy green also contains antioxidants that fight inflammation throughout the body, protecting against chronic diseases like cancer and arthritis. Looking for an energy boost? Spinach is a good source of iron, essential for carrying oxygen to your cells and preventing fatigue. Incorporate spinach into your diet and experience the transformative power of this nutritional powerhouse. Section 5. Easy and delicious. Adding spinach to your plate. Adding spinach to your meals is easier than you think. This versatile green can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, making it a simple way to boost your nutrition. Toss a handful into smoothies for a nutritional boost without altering the taste. Spinach blends seamlessly with fruits and other ingredients, making it an excellent addition to your morning routine. Sauté spinach with garlic and olive oil for a simple and satisfying side dish. This quick method enhances the flavor while preserving its nutrients, making it a perfect accompaniment to any meal. Add it to omelets, stir-fries, and pasta sauces for a flavor and nutrient boost. Spinach's mild taste complements a variety of dishes, adding both color and health benefits. Don't be afraid to get creative. Experiment with different recipes and cooking methods to find your favorite ways to enjoy spinach. Spinach can be enjoyed raw in salads, wilted into soups, or even baked into chips for a healthy snack. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into any meal, whether you're looking for a quick snack or a hearty dish. With so many delicious possibilities, there's no excuse not to make spinach a regular part of your diet. From breakfast to dinner and even snacks in between, spinach can enhance your meals and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Section 6. Embrace the power of spinach. Spinach is more than just a leafy green. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This versatile vegetable can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes, from salads and smoothies to soups and main courses. Its mild flavor makes it easy to incorporate into your daily meals. From boosting heart health and strengthening bones to increasing energy levels and fighting inflammation, the benefits of spinach are undeniable. Rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K, spinach supports overall body function and helps maintain a healthy immune system. It's also known to improve skin health and aid in digestion. By incorporating spinach into your diet regularly, you're making a powerful investment in your health and well-being. Whether you blend it into a smoothie, toss it into a salad, or cook it into your favorite dishes, spinach adds a nutritional boost that can enhance your overall quality of life. So, embrace the power of spinach and experience the amazing transformation it can have on your life. Not only will you feel more energized, but you'll also be supporting your body's natural defenses and promoting long-term health. Remember, a healthy life is a happy life, and it all starts with nourishing your body with the best nature has to offer. Eat your spinach, make it a staple in your diet, and watch as it contributes to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.